Hey, what's up guys? So it's been a couple weeks since I've done a video, and I thought I would do a short video today on installing wiper buddies. It keeps your wipers more tight against the windshield, I guess. I mean, you could get them at truck stops. That's where I got mine from. I think it was like $5. I took one out of the pack already to kind of try to figure it out before I do the video and not look like a complete retard. But this is the packaging that it comes in. It has the instructions on the back on installing them. I've never installed these before, so I'm not quite sure what the end result is going to be, but my wipers tend to skip when I turn on the windshield wipers, and let me show you guys an example of that right now. So I don't know how well you'll be able to see it on camera, but I already got everything set up, the hood open and everything, but this is kind of what I'm talking about. See how it doesn't really get all the bug residue off the windshield, and right here, I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see it, but you can tell that it skips a little bit. And yeah, let's install these and see what type of difference it makes, and see if I would recommend them for you guys to go and spend your money on them, or if it was just a waste of $5. All right guys, hold on, let me get everything set up out there and I'll be back. All right, so now that I'm standing on the tire right here, I don't know how well you guys are going to be able to see me, if it's the right camera angle or not, but standing on the tire, my short ass has to get up here, make sure everything is, you know, setting up right. So first off, what you're going to do is obviously take the wiper buddy out of the packaging, and then according to the instructions, it says place the large hook, which would be this one. Place the large hook end under the wiper arm with huggy end on top of the wiper assembly. So what I'm going to do is I am assuming this is what they mean, kind of like how I have it here. And then what you're going to do is pull out your wiper, and I'm guessing this is how it goes. I mean, I could be doing this completely wrong, which I think I am. Okay, so now that's like that. Pull this side back. Hold on, let me set up the camera to where you guys can actually see what I'm doing, and I actually have both hands to use. Yeah, technical difficulties. So, I'm assuming you do this. Pull it down like that. That doesn't seem right. Place large hook and on top of wiper assembly. Okay, I think I did it wrong. Hold on. Maybe that's how it goes? Place large hook end under wiper arm with huggy end on top of wiper assembly. So I'm guessing this is what they mean by the huggy on top of the assembly. This is the forearm, or this is the forearm. I have no idea what I'm doing right now. So we're gonna figure this out together. This seems, yeah, this seems more So I think that's how it goes. I'm not 100% sure, but let's go inside and test it out, see if there's any difference, and if there is, then I'll install the other side kind of how I installed this one. If not, then we come out here and play with it some more. All right, hold on. All right, so I'm back in the truck. I'm out of breath, of course, but what else changes? See if it makes a difference. No, it actually made it worse. All right, let's see if we can figure this out. Let me get back out there and see what else I could come up with, so I don't look like a complete fool doing this. All right, hold on. All right, so after a little bit more investigation, I think I might have figured it out. So let me get the camera angled over to where you guys can see it on that side, and let me show you guys how to do this. That's a good angle. So what I was doing wrong was I was trying to install them on the blade itself. What you want to do is lift up your wiper blade like this. And then hook it over like this. I can already feel there's a lot more tension. So if you guys see, you put it under the wiper blade assembly itself, put this piece on top, and then put this over here like that, and then let's go back inside of the truck and see how well this works, because I am not 100% sure. I should have done a little bit more research before I started doing this video, but it is what it is. I just figured I'd do a short video since I haven't done anything in a while. But let's get back inside the truck and see if this makes a difference. All right, back inside of the truck for a second or third time. Let's see if this one makes a difference. If not, then I have no idea what I'm doing and this video is pointless. I mean, it still skips a little bit, but you could definitely tell the difference on the tension and everything on the wiper blade itself. So all in all, I'd probably give this product a 5 out of 10, and that might just be because of user error. I have no idea. First time ever using this. Obviously, I'm starting to realize I probably need some new wiper blades. But with that being said, would I recommend it to you guys? Most likely, yeah. I mean, it's supposed to help against wind and stuff. So if you guys are in a rainy situation where you guys have wind, the wiper blades are lifting up off the windshield itself, and it could all be a huge mess. So with that being said, I know that's the second time I say that, but like I'm new to making these videos, so please, no judgment. Yeah, I'm gonna do the other side, and then I'll do a follow-up video to see how everything is working and let you guys know if it was the best bang for your buck. If not, I'm sure there's other devices out there to keep your windshield or your wiper blade stuck on your windshield. So yeah, please like, comment, subscribe, share. I promise I'm gonna start making more videos. I've just been on this whole thing where I just haven't found the motivation to pick up the camera, but I was doing so good that I can't stop, you know. I feel like this is a lot of useful information, and yeah, so have a good one, guys, and see you guys next time.